Okay, we're one step further. As you can see, I got the rotor off. It's right over here. Well, I went by the book. They told me to get a rotor puller to get this off. The bolt that keeps it on is smaller than the thread in the rotor itself. So there's a special tool you put in there. It's M18 1.5 threads. And with that rotor puller, you will fasten it. It'll go in and it'll push the rotor off the axle. That's all great and it should work. But when it doesn't, it really doesn't. It broke the tool. It crushed itself in the bottom. So it's a piece of junk. But yeah, made in Taiwan. What do you expect? So I did it according to the book and it didn't work, of course. So yeah, always go with your gut. I thought I should use the book so I don't mess anything up. And then you get this stuff. They made it so cheaply and so thin, it just tears apart of itself. And you're stuck with this in there, not being able to pull it out because it crushed itself in the bottom. So I had to go old school with a big puller, and I pulled it off the old-fashioned way, which I should have done in the from the start. So that took me a week of waiting on the special tool and about 20 bucks. So yeah, that wasn't a success, but in the end I got it off and now I can take this apart, change out the rubbers. I already got the new ones in. They are crazy expensive. 6 rubbers and the gasket, like 80 bucks. What the fuck? It's a lot of money, but if these rubbers fix my big knocking noise in the engine, I'll be happy. So yeah, that's next. Gonna take it apart, change the rubbers, and then clean up the edge of the gasket and put it all back together again. And hopefully it'll start without any noises or stuff like that. So that. No more knocking noise. I say that's the wind.